Hi guys, it's Danny at Lancaster Automart. Here we are at our site once more. A bit brighter today. We're along with our partners at Lancaster Volkswagen. And today we have for you the 2018 Audi A4 S-Line TFSI. A beautiful grey. Alloys, along with the black tint on the back. Auto folding windows. It's just an excellent car, beautiful condition. Lovely, lovely make. So if you've got any questions, just give us a call or visit us online if you'd like. Pay us a visit either way. Have a look at the photos online, or we can do a virtual tour for you. Have a walk round if there's anything specific you want to have a look at, that's not a problem. Well, like I say, pop down and see us. Give you the keys, you can take it out. Just unlock it, that'll help. Got embossed leather, the S-Line, and part suede as well all the way through. Again, lovely, lovely condition, great looking car, a pleasure to drive. So again, if there's anything more specific you want to have a look at, don't hesitate to give us a call, contact us online. We can show you around, or again, pop down and see us. Take it for a run. What a great car.